And let's cut straight across to the live images that are coming in right now from the Tihar jail, where Arvind Kejriwal is expected to walk out any time now. The order of release of bail has reached the Tihar jail. So now it's just a question of formalities being completed in Tihar. And then Arvind Kejriwal will be out. These are images on your screens. It's pouring. But you've got all of the AAP leaders there standing in that downpour, refusing to let their spirits be dampened by the heavy rain, and all of them chanting slogans there, standing atop and cheering on the AAP workers. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live with more details on this. Amit, for the AAP workers, celebrations have kicked off any time now. We're hearing in the next 5 to 10 minutes, Arvind Kejriwal is expected to walk out.
True, Akshata, there are 2 points of celebration. One at Tihar jail, the second where I'm standing right now, outside the residence of Chief Minister of Delhi. These are enthusiastic AAP workers who are dancing on the whole beats right now. And let me tell you, it's been raining out here, drizzling out here, but that has not stopped any of these AAP workers from, not celebrating this moment that they have been waiting for quite some months now. And especially because 2023 has been year of legal trouble for Aam Aadmi Party, and from August 2024, that picture has started to change. Manish Sisodia, Vijay Nair, and now Arvind Kejriwal to step out from Tihar jail, and a road show will be held from Changi Ram Akhada to this point where I'm standing right now. Let's cut across to these AAP workers as well who are charged up. रोड शो करेंगे मुख्यमंत्री, आप लोग स्वागत करने जा रहे हैं तो मुख्यमंत्री रोड शो भी करेंगे।
पहले तो मैं देश को यह संदेश देना चाहता हूं कि आज बाबा साहब भीमराव के संविधान का जीत हुआ है, सत्य की जीत हुई है। एक देश में जब तानाशाह कोई आता है और लोकतंत्र को कुचलने की कोशिश करता है तो बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर का संविधान उसके सामने खड़ा होता है। आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिल गई, इससे सिद्ध हो गया कि कहीं न कहीं सीबीआई जो है वो केंद्र सरकार के तोता के रूप में काम करती है, ईडी तोता के रूप में। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा भी है कि तोता बनना यह देश की सीबीआई बंद करे, और आज हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं के अंदर, नेताओं के अंदर एक जोश है।
वाला लगता रहेगा आरोप, लेकिन आप लोगों का
I'm going to come back to you. I want to take this across to Shreya Chatterjee, because on the right of your screens are the images from Tihar jail. Manish Sisodia, Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann, Sanjay Singh, all standing there soaked in the rain but chanting slogans, leading the celebrations for the Aam Aadmi Party. Shreya, what's happening around you? We see scores of AAP workers. It's pouring down heavily, but they're not letting it deter, they dampen their spirits in any way.
Well, absolutely. So, Akshata, we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal step out any moment from now. The wait turned a little bit longer because of the traffic snarls that actually was there because of the weather conditions. But finally, the bail order has already reached the Tihar jail. And any time now, we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal stepping out of gate number 3 of the Tihar jail. Initially, he was supposed to step out of gate number 4, but because of the traffic conditions, this was a special request made by the Delhi police. And now, any moment, Akshata, we will see Arvind Kejriwal step out of gate number 3, from where he will directly head to his residence in 6 Flagstaff March Road, Civil Lines.
Okay, so Shreya, in fact, is joining us from gate number 3. The celebrations are happening at another gate, but we're expecting that Arvind Kejriwal, Shreya, will meet with the AAP leaders there. There will be that massive photo op moment as well, after which he will head to his residence. And through that entire stretch, there's no doubt that AAP workers will line up to celebrate the release of, in fact, the AAP Supremo. Shreya, just stay with me. I want to bring in Sneha Mordani, who's also joining us live from another vantage point outside Tihar jail. And Sneha, behind you, I understand all of the AAP leadership is there, drenched in the rain, but leading the celebrations. Sneha, can you hear me?
Yes, Akshata, I didn't get your question, but I think you're asking me about the insane celebrations that have broken out right outside Tihar jail. Now, it's raining very, very heavily. We're all drenched here. But as far as the workers are concerned, if I could just ask Pawan to show you, right behind me is Bhagwant Mann and Manish Sisodia. Both of them are here to lead, in fact, the celebrations that have broken out outside the Tihar jail. Any time the Delhi Chief Minister will be walking out a free man after being in jail for 6 months. So the workers are celebrating here. There's dhol, there's nagara, firecrackers are going off in that sense. Early Diwali for the Aam Aadmi Party workers. And why not? They have in fact seen a period over the last few months or so with the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party, the founding members, Manish Sisodia, who also in fact was behind bars. Other top leaders also have in fact been behind bars in different cases, particularly the Delhi Chief Minister, who's facing allegations of corruption in the alleged liquor scam, of facing allegations of getting kickbacks. Manish Sisodia walked out a couple of weeks ago, and today is the turn of the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, who continues to be the Chief Minister. But as we know, once he steps out, he can't be discharging his duties as the Chief Minister. But nonetheless, in just about 6 months from now, sometime in early 2025, which is February, Delhi is going to go to polls. Haryana, of course, is poll-bound as well, where the Aam Aadmi Party has stakes. And this comes as a huge morale booster for the Aam Aadmi Party, given that the national convener, the boss of the Aam Aadmi Party, is going to be walking out a free man. Now, expect the Aam Aadmi Party to cash in upon this as an opportunity. They're already talking about this being political vendetta. They've also spoken about the fact that today the Supreme Court made some scathing observations, talking about the perception that the CBI holds in terms of being a cage parrot. You need to uncage, is what the Supreme Court has said. Of course, there were different opinions from 2 judges today, but the result was the same, that there will be relief for the Delhi Chief Minister. There is no need to keep him behind bars anymore. And right here where I am, the Delhi Chief Minister will be walking out a free man. From gate number 3 is what is expected where we are. You can see the huge crowds, the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party who've gathered here to in fact welcome him, expecting him to go home straight where his parents are, where his wife, where his children are. And the Aam Aadmi Party is going to continue to display rather show of strength and show of unity, that they're going to be fighting the elections together and that they are in this together. They're going to be taking on the Bharatiya Janata Party, whom they allege to have in fact a chokehold over important institutions in the country like the CBI, like the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, the Delhi Chief Minister was in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate up until the month of June. And in the month of June, the CBI took custody of the Delhi Chief Minister, a move in fact that was questioned by the Supreme Court, at least by one judge of the Supreme Court today. Pictures are of celebration that continue right outside Tihar Jail. Yes, there is chaos, there is mayhem, but the workers are jubilant, given that Arvind Kejriwal today is going to be walking out Akshita, a free man.
All right, Sneha, we're going to keep coming across to you for those live updates. Stay on with us. Sneha was referring to the conditions that have been imposed on Arvind Kejriwal for bail. So let's kind of recap for you what's happened in the Supreme Court earlier today, how bail was granted to Kejriwal, and also importantly, the criticism that came the way of the CBI from the top court judge.
Big relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court on Friday granted him bail in the CBI case in the alleged excise policy scam. The 2-judge bench of Justices Surya Kant and Ujjwal Bhuyan was unanimous in the decision to grant bail. The court pointed out the charge sheet has already been filed and the trial is unlikely to be completed soon. The 2 judges, however, wrote different verdicts. While Justice Surya Kant held Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI to be legal, Justice Ujjwal Bhuyan came down heavily on the central agency. Justice Bhuyan said that the CBI case against Kejriwal was filed on August 17, 2022, but his arrest took place on June 26, 2024. The judge said the CBI did not feel the need to arrest Kejriwal for 22 months. Justice Bhuyan ruled that Kejriwal's arrest appeared strategically timed to frustrate his bail in the Enforcement Directorate case. The judge further urged the CBI to dispel the image of being a caged parrot. Justice Bhuyan stated that the CBI should be like Caesar's wife, above suspicion.
Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuvan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
The bail conditions are the same as listed by the Supreme Court in the ED case. Kejriwal will have to refrain from public comments on the liquor case. He cannot attend Chief Minister's office and is barred from signing official files, but he can sign files that require to be sent to the LG. He is required to fully cooperate with the trial court. The Aam Aadmi Party mounted a fierce attack on the CBI, accusing the agency of acting under political pressure. Party leaders demanded the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah, calling the arrest an act of political vendetta.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बेंच ने यहाँ तक कह दिया कि क्यों मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर ये कंडीशंस लगाई गई हैं कि वो सचिवालय नहीं जा सकते, फाइलें साइन नहीं कर सकते, मेरी समझ के बाहर है। मगर क्योंकि दूसरी बेंच ने ये कंडीशंस लगाई हैं, इसलिए इसके ऊपर हम ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहते हैं। कोर्ट ने साफ तौर पे कह दिया कि देश की प्रीमियर एजेंसी बदले की भावना से, कपट छल से काम कर रही है। मुझे लगता है गृह मंत्री को एक दिन भी अपनी सीट पे रहने का हक खत्म हो गया है।
केजरीवाल की बेल से जनता को कोई फायदा होने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी मिठाइयां बांट रही है क्योंकि उनको जनता से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, अपने भ्रष्टाचार से लेना देना है। और मुजरिम केजरीवाल जो जेल से छूटे हैं बेल पर कंडीशंस के साथ, उनकी बेल पर खुशी मनानी है क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली तो भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है और उस भ्रष्टाचार में का फैसला आएगा तो जेल तो जाना ही है।
Kejriwal comes out of jail at a time assembly elections are taking place in Haryana. His campaign will be closely watched as AAP is contesting the elections on its own. With Kanu Sarda and Amit Bharadwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
So let's focus on the conditions that have been imposed on Kejriwal when he's out on bail. What can he do? What can he not do? First, he can't issue any comment on the Liquorgate case, not on the alleged role that he's played, the allegations against him, the ongoing investigation, none of that. He can't make any public comment on this ongoing case. Now, the next 2 points extremely crucial because this is a setback for the Aam Aadmi Party and for Arvind Kejriwal. He cannot attend office, which means he essentially can't go to office and play the role of CM. And also can't sign official files. Something that he was able to do while behind bars in Tihar is something he can't do now that he will be out on bail, which means essentially he can't discharge his duties as Chief Minister. Besides that, the conditions that were imposed in the ED case will stay. Remember that Arvind Kejriwal was granted bail, interim bail in the Enforcement Directorate case, so those conditions also remain. He's also expected to fully cooperate with the trial court. I'll bring in Amit Bharadwaj on this. He tracks the Aam Aadmi Party very closely. Amit, if you look at really the terms and conditions that have been laid down by the Supreme Court while granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal, it is undoubtedly a setback. The fact that Arvind Kejriwal can't sign official files, ironically he was able to do that behind bars, but can't do it once he's out on bail. What is the AAP going to do about that? Are they going to be putting in someone else as the Chief Minister?
Akshata, there are two obvious questions because of these restrictions. Will Arvind Kejriwal be replaced by someone else from the Aam Aadmi Party as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Is that going to happen? The straight answer to that question is a no. Because, Aam Aadmi Party firmly believes that the people of Delhi, the voters of Delhi, have elected Arvind Kejriwal as Chief Minister of Delhi for the 5 years and he will, complete his tenure. So that's one part. Now, what is going to be the way out? I've spoken to several leaders of AAP. They have very categorically said that they see a legal relief in this particular order itself. If you go by the observations made by Justice Bhuyan, that's what is boosting the Aam Aadmi Party at this point in time, and that is why the celebrations outside CM House is a grand one, and also that at Tihar Jail is a grand one. The AAP leaders believe that Justice Bhuyan has not only raised question marks on the way Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by CBI, but also you were also hearing Saurabh Bhardwaj's argument that based on Justice Bhuiya's argument that the restrictions which has been put by the Supreme Court two-judge bench, Justice Bhuiya does not agree with it, as well as there's another case in which Justice Oka had given his observations of the legal team of Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal will be soon approaching the Supreme Court of India in order to seek relief from the restrictions. Possibly they'll tell the court that look, we are not going to look into the files of the excise department, at least let us handle the files of the governance, day-to-day governance, and possibly that's how they're looking for a relief.
Interesting. So what Amit is telling us right now, which is very interesting, is that they will be looking to approach the court and tell them that on the excise department files, we will hit pause. The rest of it, let Arvind Kejriwal go ahead and get that permission to give his nod and sign official files. Now, we'll have to see whether the Supreme Court provides it relief or not. Plan B. What will it be for the Aam Aadmi Party? Let's focus on the other big headline that came in from the Supreme Court, which is on what Judge Bhuiya said about the CBI. A number of scathing observations on how the CBI has handled this case and Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, saying Kejriwal's belated arrest by CBI is unjustified. And most of the pointers, really observations, are about the timing of the arrest, with Justice Bhuiya saying that the timing of the arrest raises more questions than it actually answered, than the CBI answered. 22 months late incarceration was simply not needed. And this is essentially where you've got the judge questioning, why was it when the ED was investigating, the CBI steps in so late in the case, after 22 months? The arrest, according to him, was strategically timed to frustrate bail that was granted in ED case. Remember that the very next day, after bail was granted in the ED case, is when the CBI stepped in and filed a case against Arvind Kejriwal. So the judges linked the timing of the two, saying the arrest was strategically timed to just frustrate Arvind Kejriwal. Arrest must not be carried out in a high-handed manner. According to the judge, that was very much the case in this particular matter, and the probe can't become targeted harassment, which are very strong words really used by the judge in this matter. And importantly, remember how the term caged parrot came up for the CBI, and this was something that came up in the Supreme Court. It's been mentioned again in this particular case, with the Justice Bhuiya saying that CBI must dispel the notion of being a caged parrot. Is it that CBI should be like Caesar's wife, above suspicion? He's spoken about optics, saying justice should be done. There should be a fair investigation, but also seen to be a fair investigation. The trial is not getting over in the near future, which is why the judge also questioned what is the need to keep Kejriwal in custody through the entire trial as well. And again highlighted what several times the Supreme Court has highlighted, particularly in these bail cases, that bail is the rule and jail is the exception. Srishti Oja, our legal correspondent, is joining us with more details on this scathing observation, Srishti, made by Justice Bhuiya in this particular case, where he's raised questions really on the CBI investigation, on how the investigation was conducted, seemingly also questioning that, whether this was a targeted arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, almost as if this was a conspiracy.
Well, definitely, Akshata, and it's important to note here that the entire case of Arvind Kejriwal and the case that was argued by his lawyers constantly from trial court to Supreme Court has been the fact that they've called his arrest by CBI an insurance arrest. And Justice Ujjwal Bhuiya has clearly agreed with the arguments that were put forth by Kejriwal, where the court has said, the court has also noted the fact that CBI did not arrest Arvind Kejriwal for an extremely long period of time. The investigation has been going on for over 22 months. The court, CBI had the material, but it chose to not arrest Kejriwal. However, he was arrested right after he got bail in the money laundering matter. That's when the CBI decided to arrest him. So that is something that the Supreme Court has taken note of, and in fact said that even earlier the top court had castigated the agency, calling it a caged parrot, and the CBI as a premier investigative agency should in fact try to dispel the notion that it's a caged parrot. The notion should be that it's an uncaged parrot, but clearly strong remarks by Supreme Court against investigation in the case, and also specifically in the manner and the timing of the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. Now the court has said that the investigating agencies do have a power to arrest, but what also needs to be seen here is necessity of arrest. It's not about whether or not not CBI can arrest. The question that's important is, and that should be considered by the agencies is if it should arrest, not if it can arrest. So these are the remarks that came in from the top court, and in the end, we saw an agreement by both judges with regard to the bail that, according to both the judges, should be granted, and according to them, it would be against Arvind Kejriwal's right to life if he's left behind bars in incarceration for too long. So definitely a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, because as we know, he was the last AAP leader who was still behind bars in the liquor excise case.
You know, if you look at all of the accused in this particular case, all of them now are out on bail, save for one. Only one accused, Dhul, remains behind bars. All the others are out on bail. So while you've got these questions asked of the Supreme Court, the other aspect of it is the fact that how will the investigative agencies actually move forward with the investigation in this particular case now? It means essentially if all of these accused are out on bail, that they've failed so far to gather concrete evidence against any of them. Let's get you a quick update from the ground also as we await Kejriwal's release. Sneha Murdani is reporting from outside Tihar jail. You see those images right now of all the AAP leaders standing atop a vehicle, celebrating, chanting together with AAP workers. Sneha, we're expecting any time now Arvind Kejriwal to be released, considering that the formalities are almost done at this point. But what's the plan? Is he going to be coming out and celebrating with all the AAP workers? Is there going to be a roadshow of sorts?
Well, definitely. It looks like that, you know, also. You know, Akshita, I just had to tell you, though I need to verify this, some of the workers, they're announcing that the Delhi Chief Minister is out. I don't really see him, but it could be possible. So we'll just keep an eye on that. But yes, definitely going to be interacting and meeting with the workers. Announcements, if you can hear right now, are of that the Delhi Chief Minister has stepped out. We need to, in fact, get a better glimpse of that because there's a lot of chaos. And it's raining very heavily, but certainly going to be interacting with the party workers here. No permission per se for the road show, but there is in fact a van right here, atop of which you see the former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister. I'm going to show you those pictures. Pawan is in fact giving you those pictures. The Punjab Chief Minister is there. Atishi, there are other leaders, top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, who are also in fact here leading the celebrations. So from here on, of course, he moves to his house straight and expect in the next few hours and in the next few days really to be that of the Delhi Chief Minister in a show of strength. I think you will be getting in the pictures of the Delhi Chief Minister, who I think is perhaps out. We'll just in fact verify that in a moment from now, but there is in fact pictures out of the crowds going completely insane here, with the Delhi Chief Minister walking out a free man after being in jail for the last 6 months or so. Remember, there was a brief respite that he got during the course.
Kejriwal is now out of Tihar jail. Sneha has been telling us about that. We've got the confirmation right now that Kejriwal, out on bail, has now been released from Tihar jail to a massive welcome from AAP workers. You can hear the cheering, you can hear all of them waving and clapping along as Arvind Kejriwal, their leader, after 3 months is back out on bail. They're celebrating, and those are the first images on your screens. Kejriwal atop a vehicle in his blue shirt there, waving to the crowds that are present. Rain not dampening their spirit, rain not stopping Arvind Kejriwal from sitting atop that vehicle and waving at all the AAP workers, thanking them for gathering there in such large numbers. Sneha, if you're still with us, take us through the images that you're seeing. Okay, we'll go to Sneha in just a bit and get you a sense of what's happening on ground. But our reporters are there currently getting you the latest updates as Arvind Kejriwal has exited from Tihar jail. There you have got those first images of him trying to also speak to the AAP workers, thanking them for their support. Let's come across live.
अरे यहीं आएंगे भाई, यहीं आएंगे। स्पीच चल रही है, स्पीच चल रही है। आज मैं आप लोगों के बीच में
लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। लाखों लोगों ने मन्नत मांगी, लाखों लोगों ने दुआएं की, आशीर्वाद भेजे, प्रार्थना की, मंदिर गए, मस्जिद गए, गुरुद्वारे गए, उन सब लोगों का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। इतनी बारिश में इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आए, दोस्तों, मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है। मेरे जिंदगी का एक एक पल, मेरे शरीर का एक एक कतरा, मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा देश के लिए समर्पित है। ऊपर वाले ने मेरा साथ दिया, क्यों? बहुत बड़े संघर्ष किए, जिंदगी में बहुत मुसीबतें झेली है, लेकिन हर कदम पे भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। ऊपर वाले ने मेरा साथ दिया, क्यों? क्योंकि मैं सच्चा था, मैं सही था, इसलिए भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। इन लोगों ने मुझे जेल में डाल दिया। इन लोगों को लगा कि केजरीवाल को जेल में डाल देंगे तो केजरीवाल के हौसले टूट जाएंगे। आज मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, मैं जेल से बाहर आया हूं, मेरे हौसले 100 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गए हैं। मेरी ताकत 100 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। इनकी जेल की मोटी मोटी दीवारें, इनकी जेल की सलाखें केजरीवाल के हौसले को कमजोर नहीं कर सकती। मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं, जैसे आज तक ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को रास्ता दिखाया, ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को ताकत दी, ऐसे ही भगवान मुझे रास्ता दिखाता रहे, मैं देश की सेवा करता रहूं। और ये जितनी राष्ट्र विरोधी ताकतें हैं जो देश के विकास को रोक रही हैं, जो देश को बांटने का काम कर रही हैं, जो देश को अंदर से कमजोर करने का काम कर रही हैं, जिंदगी भर में इनके खिलाफ लड़ा हूं, आगे भी ऐसे ही लड़ता रहूंगा। भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Kejriwal there in his first message to AAP workers after stepping out of Tihar jail, saying that my resolve now has become 100 times stronger than it was before I walked into Tihar jail. He said that they've put me behind bars to think they could break me, but you can never break me. You've only strengthened my resolve further to work for the nation. Arvind Kejriwal also saying that it's the prayers of every single one of his supporters that ensured his release today. And he's also, in fact, said very clearly that God has ensured his release because God knows that he is true, he is honest. Let's get your reactions now from our leaders.
सबसे बड़ा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फौरन रिहा करने का आदेश दिया है। इसके लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट की गहराइयों से सुप्रीम कोर्ट का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
A roadshow of sorts there at Tihar jail as Arvind Kejriwal is waving to the crowds and moving past their entire stretch. After this, he's going to be headed to his residence where again there's going to be a grand show of support, of strength, of solidarity by AAP workers. The heavy rain hasn't stopped Arvind Kejriwal. He's atop his vehicle, chanting slogans with AAP workers, accepting their love, accepting gifts that they've brought for him as well. He knows full well the importance of these images, especially in the run-up to the Haryana elections. This by itself is a campaign for the Aam Aadmi Party. And remember that while Arvind Kejriwal, as per the Supreme Court conditions, can't sign official files, can't go ahead and visit his office, he can campaign in Haryana. So that's a big shot in the arm for the Aam Aadmi Party. And that's why even now, as he stepped out of jail, immediately went atop his vehicle, the weather not being a problem or an excuse, spoke to the crowds there, told all of them that my resolve is that much stronger and I will continue to fight it out. We will get you a reporter as, in fact, Kejriwal moves now to his residence. Amit Bharadwaj is at Kejriwal's residence, where again the crowds are swelling up. Amit, we've had Kejriwal now out of Tihar jail, a road show of sorts. He's travelling atop the vehicle, taking in, soaking in all the love from AAP supporters. A repeat of that expected where you are, where already I can hear the dole and I can see people dancing behind you in celebration.
Yes, Akshata, let's cut across to these visuals for our viewers, the celebration visuals, the visuals of a sense of victory that Aam Aadmi Party workers have, despite the fact that it's raining out here at civil lines. आप लोग जिस तस्वीर के इंतजार में थे वो तिहाड़ जेल से आ चुकी है। अरविंद केजरीवाल बाहर आ गए हैं, कह रहे हैं कि जेल से निकल के मैं 100 गुना और ताकतवर हो गया हूँ।
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं वो, क्योंकि वो दिल्ली के लाल नहीं देश के लाल हैं और आने वाले देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं वो, और प्रधानमंत्री की जो तानाशाही शासन है उसको वही खत्म करेंगे और वो समय दूर नहीं है कि भारत के अंदर जब केजरीवाल का शासन होगा और पूरी जनता खुश होगी।
आप लोगों
Arvind Kejriwal is moving by, celebrating with AAP workers. Sneha, take it away.
Yes, Akshita, Somnath Bharti, advocate Somnath Bharti is with me. Right now, part of the celebrations. Rightfully so, the Delhi Chief Minister has been behind bars for over 6 months now. How do you look at these developments? And what do you make of what he said today in terms of his resolve being further strengthened?
See, today, the way he addressed all of us was of somebody who has thought of everything what he's supposed to do now. In view of the judgment, which categorically stated that CBI has been used as caged parrot, CBI's arrest was illegal, CBI, the way they arrested Arvind Kejriwal ji the moment they got bail from ED, that was all a conspirational affair. So in that view, when Kejriwal ji said, I have come 100 times more stronger, and that is to be noted, BJP could not break Arvind Kejriwal.
How big a boost is this for the upcoming Haryana elections and the elections in Delhi next year? Given that the morale of the workers would be down, many of the leaders were behind bars.
No, if you look at the entire thing, the way BJP treated Aam Aadmi Party, that proved that BJP considers Aam Aadmi Party as the main opposition. All the leaders behind the bar, still they failed to break my party. Still they failed to, break the resolve and the willpower of Arvind Kejriwal, Mr. Sodhia, Sanjay Singh ji. I think it's a great message for entire nation. The democracy has been strengthened. The way constitution has been upheld by the judgment today. It's a great day for all of us.
The BJP has been saying that this is not even acquittal. What is the Aam Aadmi Party celebrating? Its procedure is the word that the BJP has used today throughout.
Do you recall what they used to say earlier? They used to say, "Acha, agar nirdosh hai to bail kyun nahi milta?" Today they're saying something else. And today they're failing to read the judgment properly. Read para number 42. Read para number 44. Read para number 38. Today, if there is little shame, Mr. Amit Shah ji should resign today.
आप कह रहे हैं कि मुख्यमंत्री क्योंकि बाहर आ गए हैं और कोर्ट ने जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस किए उसके चलते हुए गृह मंत्री को
रिजाइन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि सीबीआई को केज्ड पैरेट का दर्जा दिया है माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने, और इस कारण से सीबीआई चूंकि डायरेक्टली उनके अंदर आती है, तो आज अमित शाह जी को इस कारण से रिजाइन करना चाहिए. अदरवाइज what more Supreme Court should say for him to resign.
कार्यकर्ता के लिए कितना बड़ा दिन है आज?
Not only कार्यकर्ता, आज पूरे देश के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है. वो हर व्यक्ति जो संविधान विश्वास रखता है उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है. वो हर व्यक्ति जो डेमोक्रेसी को आगे देखना चाहता है, उसके लिए बड़ा दिन है। जो काम की राजनीति को आगे देखना
Somnath
चाहता
Bharti,
है,
AAP
उसके लिए
leader, speaking to us here on India Today. We'll continue getting you more voices of AAP leaders, but I want to play out for you, in case you missed the moment of Arvind Kejriwal exiting atop his car in the pouring rain, addressing AAP supporters. We'll play out that exact sequence for you. What was his message to the country as he stepped out on bail in the liquor scam? Let's play that out.
अरे यहीं आएंगे भाई, यहीं आएंगे। स्पीच चल रही है, स्पीच चल रही है। आज मैं आप लोगों के बीच में लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ। लाखों लोगों ने मन्नत मांगी, लाखों लोगों ने भगवान का आशीर्वाद भेजे, प्रार्थना की, मंदिर गए, मस्जिद गए, गुरुद्वारे गए, उन सब लोगों का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। जितनी बारिश में जितनी बड़ी संख्या में आए, मेरे जिंदगी का एक एक पल, मेरे शरीर का एक एक कतरा, मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा देश के लिए समर्पित है। मैंने जिंदगी में बहुत संघर्ष किया है, बहुत बड़े संघर्ष किए, जिंदगी में बहुत मुसीबतें झेली है, लेकिन हर कदम पे भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। ऊपर वाले ने मेरा साथ दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं सच्चा था, मैं सही था, इसलिए भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। इन लोगों ने मुझे जेल में डाल दिया। इन लोगों को लगा कि केजरीवाल को जेल में डाल देंगे तो केजरीवाल के हौसले टूट जाएंगे। आज मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, मैं जेल से बाहर आया हूं, मेरे हौसले 100 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गए हैं। मेरी ताकत 100 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। इनकी जेल की मोटी मोटी दीवारें, इनकी जेल की सलाखें केजरीवाल के हौसले को कमजोर नहीं कर सकती। मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं, जैसे आज तक ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को रास्ता दिखाया, ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को ताकत दी, ऐसे ही भगवान मुझे रास्ता दिखाता रहे, मैं देश की सेवा करता रहूं।
Okay, let's bring in Amit Bharadwaj also, who's joining us live from Kejriwal's residence. Amit, right now, the roadshow of sorts that was conducted at Tihar jail has come to an end. Arvind Kejriwal now headed to his residence, where again we understand there'll be a similar show where he's going to also interact with AAP workers, speak to them, thank them for their support. But this messaging, very, very crucial. This photo op, very significant and symbolic in the run-up to the Haryana election for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Right, Akshita, the roadshow at Tihar Jail has ended. There's a detailed security protocol which has been put in place because of Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann being part of that carcade which is heading to the 6th Flagstaff Marg in the civil lines. But the moment he reaches here, nearly 1.5 kilometers away, or rather 2 kilometers away at max, is the Chanti Ram Akhada, where Arvind Kejriwal will be welcomed by the Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas, and he will be holding another roadshow from there till his residence at 6 Flagstaff Marg, where these AAP workers are all dancing, raising slogans right now up. And as you were saying that what is the messaging of this particular show of strength? Certainly Haryana Assembly polls are there. The message has to go out that Arvind Kejriwal is back and Aam Aadmi Party is back on track, and along with that, 6 months from now you have Delhi Assembly polls. So hence every worker of Aam Aadmi Party needs to be convinced, whether it be in Punjab, Haryana or Delhi or in Uttar Pradesh, that look, Arvind Kejriwal is back. They have been saying ki jail ke tale tootenge, and today that jail ke tale have eventually broken down. आप लोग ये नारा दे रहे थे कि जेल के ताले टूटेंगे, वो आज टूट गए हैं कितने,
क्योंकि ये जनता का विश्वास था। अरविंद केजरीवाल जैसा व्यक्ति दुनिया में पैदा नहीं हो सकता। वो जो कहते हैं करके दिखाते हैं। दिल्ली की 10 साल में उन्होंने जो सूरत बदल के दी है वो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में नहीं है। आज आप देख सकते हैं दिल्ली के शिक्षा सिस्टम को कि जो अरविंद जी ने बनाया।
AAP workers clearly jubilant, saying he is the best leader in the country.